मॉर्निंग क्लास। वेलकम योर चैनल प्रयास एकेडमी। आज की वीडियो की हम बात करेंगे जो रिमेनिंग 2 टाइप्स बचे थे हमारे केमिकल रिएक्शंस के, हम उनकी बात करेंगे और 3 टाइप्स ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन की बात करेंगे। तो कीप वॉचिंग माय चैनल प्रयास एकेडमी। और अगर कोई क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट में लिख के मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। तो वीडियो शुरू से लेकर लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें और कोई कन्फ्यूज़न हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें। सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल प्रयास एकेडमी। थैंक यू। टाइप्स ऑफ decomposition reactions. First we talk about this 3 types of decomposition reaction. First is electric, or we can say electrolytic. Second type, thermal decomposition, and the third type is light decomposition. Now what happen in electrolytic decomposition? Example, if we break water with the help of electricity, then the water will decompose in 2H2 plus oxygen. So this is the example of electrolytic decomposition. When we talk about the thermal decomposition, means with the help of heat. Okay, now take example of calcium carbonate CaCO3, and we will help of heat. By the help with heat, it decompose in CaO plus CO2, calcium oxide plus CO2. And the last, light decomposition. In this decomposition, if we take example silver chloride AgCl, and with the help of sunlight, it will decompose silver plus chlorine gas. Okay, if we balance this equation, it will be like that. If we take another example, silver bromide, sunlight, it will break silver plus Br2. So here are 3 main parts of decomposition reaction. So now we take third part. Okay, write it down and understand the 3 types of decomposition reaction. Now the third type, which is displacement reaction. In this reaction, here the definition of displacement reaction, I will write it down. The reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms in the molecule is displaced by another atoms, is because the reaction name is displacement. So it is displaced by another atom or a group of atoms is called displacement reaction. Okay, done. Now we take an example, calcium sulfate CaSO4. If we react calcium sulfate with Zn zinc, then if we see the reactivity series, the zinc is top and it is higher reactive than calcium, so it displaces sulfur ion from calcium and it will make ZnSO4 plus Ca. If we take another example like magnesium plus HCl, then it will make magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is the reaction, this is the example. Okay, it is done.